It's the Great American Gun Show this weekend in Okeechobee at their new location, the downtown venue behind Morgan's Furniture, 120 Southwest 7th Avenue. Buy, sell, trade, bring your guns, tell your friends. Saturday from 9 to 5 and Sunday from 10 till 3. Tons of guns, knives, ammo, hunting, and shooting supplies. Concealed carry classes Saturday and Sunday at 10 and 12 for only $49. Admission is only $8. Kids 12 and under, free with paid adult. This Saturday and Sunday in Okeechobee at the downtown venue, 120 Southwest 7th Avenue. 120 Southwest 7th Avenue.